The world's current airports have evolved beyond simple structures to giant feats of engineering after the boom in air travel in the 1960s. What used to be tents on the grassy field called an aerodrome became large structures we now call airports. Fueled by the introduction of the passenger jet in 1952, it was now possible to carry more passengers quickly at an affordable price as compared to previous propeller planes. And so, airports evolved from this to handle the demand of air travel. Here are some key infrastructure of the modern airport. Runways, taxiways, airport terminals, control towers, satellite terminals, aero bridges, maintenance facilities. Airports show the economic prowess of a nation and serve as a gateway to a country. Great airports tend to be born of access, adopting the bigger is better strategy. But airports don't just have to be big to impress, it has to look good and unique. So what part of the airport can stand out? That's right, the roof. The roof? Yes, the roof. Notable examples are here, and here. Check-in counters make up majority of the departure hall. After check-in, luggage is sent into the automated baggage handling system where they are screened and sent to the gate via conveyors, carts, and a tilt tray sorter. Early and transfer bags are stored temporarily and retrieved when needed. Your bags actually have more fun than you are waiting 3 hours in the airport. Luggage is manually loaded into metal crates which are then sent to the airplane, and the process is reversed when unloading the plane. While the departure hall gets all the attention, its less successful sibling, the arrival hall, is quite literally living under its shadow, almost always located a level beneath the departure hall. Bags on the ground are on the same level as the arrival hall for easy baggage handling and retrieval from luggage carousels. The shape of the terminal is crucial to maximize space and park the most planes. A long and skinny terminal will achieve this with the downside of long walking distances and connection times. Newer airports cut up long terminals and form satellite terminals with underground links to reduce precious space wasted. Shorter terminals, faster to reach boarding gates. Lengthening the width of the terminal will only increase the number of facilities and shops available, and may relieve congestion within the terminal. Because airports need a lot of land and large flat surfaces, they are often located outside of population centers and sometimes on artificial islands. So, there's a need for many transport links: buses, subways, trains, taxis, maglev, you name it. Gigantic parking lots are also built. Open-air lots as a separate building or integrated with the terminals for long-term parking. The ever-increasing demand for air travel will always render old airports insufficient. Increasing the capacity of the airport can be done by upgrading existing infrastructure or building new terminals, but the latter can't always work. Singapore Changi replaced the Paya Lebar Airport built inland and is located on the edge of the coast. After building 4 terminals, they were like, "We need more!" and started to fill the sea next to it, creating more land for a gigantic Terminal 5, adopting the cell-like configuration mentioned earlier. London Heathrow is unable to expand as it is surrounded by suburbs here, and here. Due to the noise pollution and its impacts on nearby residents, no flights are allowed to land between 11 PM and 5 AM, thus losing out on potential business. This leaves Heathrow with 2 runways and causes it to fall behind the intense competition from other nations. With the growth of air travel, airports in the future will only get bigger, with technologies to streamline manual services like security and check-in. This means more queues, larger crowds, dirtier toilets, more walking, more rude staff, more queues, more waiting, more queues. GG. This video was made possible by my new computer, sponsored by myself. Please do consider supporting me on where can they support? I don't know.